coastal calm to commanding presence, Project Nantucket is the embodiment of seaside sophistication. This handcrafted Defender, finished inside and out in Lotus baby blue with some matte silver accents, exudes effortless elegance, a perfect blend of refined heritage and modern artistry. Underneath, a 455 horsepower LT1 engine and 10-speed automatic transmission delivers seamless performance. E.C.D's custom road suspension, Koni adjustable shocks, Acorn brakes. Every mile feels balanced, composed and confident, and unmistakably smooth. Step inside and you're greeted by a tailored Acorn leather interior, detailed with hand-woven inserts, billet metal accents, and rich Brazilian rosewood hydro-dip finishes. Every surface feels personal, every stitch intentional. This is craftsmanship built for the discerning, a Defender that captures the warmth of the island breeze and the spirit of adventure. Project Nantucket, bespoke luxury, handcrafted by E.C.D Auto Design.